Birthday to you. I'll make a wish.
Kumain pa eh.
Birthday time!
So, ayun na nga, na-surprise ako kasi I'm not really expecting it nung sinabi ay tinawag ako ng brother ko at ng sister-in-law ko na mag-blow na ng candle kasi celebrate namin yung birthday kasabay ng Christmas party ng nila na staff nila sa kainan nila. So, yun. Simple lang, konting handa, pero yun yung I'm so grateful kasi hindi naman ako nag-celebrate ng birthday ko kasi para sa akin normal day lang yan, ordinary day. So alam mo yun, effort sa pag-celebrate at pag-surprise sa akin, malaking bagay na yun, is priceless actually. So yun, I thank them so much and so grateful. Ayan, at saka kasama ko yung nanay namin nag-celebrate. So, it's really special and memorable. Yun lang. Thank you for watching and bye-bye. Please subscribe and like and share.